I'm feeling high.
Welcome back, guys, and today I'm going to be making some Jamaican brown stew fish. Jamaican brown stew fish. I have some red snappers here, and under the bottom I have some porgies as well. So this is what I'm going to be making for you guys. I already seasoned it, cut up the vegetables, and leaving them to marinate for a little bit. So stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Over here, I cut up some vegetable that's gonna go with it. Banana and sweet potato. Okay, guys, so here, I've made a dough, making some flour dumpling, we call them, which is really all-purpose flour, a little bit of salt and water, and form the dough. And I'm making them in the traditional size, as you can see, which is like a round shape. But you can make dumpling any size you want to make it in. But I'm doing it the traditional way. And they're gonna get boiled with the sweet potato and the green banana. Those weren't the traditional sweet potato that I got. Those were what was there, and that's what I bought. I wanted some from a sweet potato. Those are what we call yams here in the USA. And the ones I really wanted and we traditional use is batata. So I'm gonna drop them in. I should have waited for the water to start boiling again. It was boiling initially, and then I added more water, and that kind of stopped the boiling process. Usually we wait for the water to boil, then add the dumplings, but that's okay. That will do. So let's take a look. There we go. Now the water is boiling nicely, and I'm just, you know, turning them around and moving them around so they don't stick, because they tend to stick. It's a sticky dough. It's a dough, and to stick to the bottom of the pot. So I tipped a little cooking oil in there to help it from not foaming over when they boil. Usually when you boil food like these, they get foamy and boil over and make a mess all over the stove. So in order to avoid that, I tip a little bit of oil in there, regular cooking oil. And now I'm adding the rest of my food, as we call it. The yam and the dumpling and the banana and the sweet potato. I have yellow yam, not the American yam. I also have yellow yam and all that stuff in there. And let it come to a boil and cook. So the fish is ready and nice and brown. Look at that. Brown up nicely, man. Now they're ready to come out. Look at that, nice and golden brown. Wow, that big one is mine, all mine. There it goes, nice and brown. And then they're gonna get cooked down. Like I said, we cook it up just to cook down. Cook up just to cook down. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Yeah, man. And that will cook up just to cook down. Cook up just to cook down.
Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Yes, man. So here we go now. So we put about 3 tablespoons of oil in the Dutch pot. We call it the Dutchie. And I'm going to add in my vegetable seasoning when I cut up on it. I make them go and saute, cook down, them get nice and soft. And once them cook down now, I'm going to add normally, them like put a little tip of vinegar in there when I do fish. Any type of seafood. It gives it a nice flavor. I don't know why, but I do it and it tastes good with it. So that's where we're at. So stay tuned and watch the cooking up just to cook down and go on. So the veggies, them now, kind of tender. So I use the same pot when I did have the fried fish sitting in each time them fry and come up. Just put some warm water in there and pour in there. You use warm water instead of cold, because the cold I gotta take time to boil up again and get hot and all these things. So use warm water and I add a little ketchup, tomato ketchup. We still have tomato to go with it, but the ketchup kind of gives somewhat the gravy, somewhat some kind of richness, So the food them I cook there now, them done, Look there, look there. Everything done, nice and soft. Stove off. That's what's up. Done, done, done. Cook up. Banana, dumpling, yams, everything. So I add a little browning right here now. Traditionally we use with browning. So put a little browning in there. And I'm going to mix that up now and get the gravy going. Because remember the fish basically cook already, we fry it already, So all that I go in this nice juicy gravy and suck up all the flavor. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that color, man. Gotta add a little more water in it. So I want a little more gravy. Want enough gravy to go on my dumpling and my banana and my yam, You want gravy for spin around your food in and eat. So yeah, I gotta add a little water in there. And kind of stretch the gravy, make the gravy more. Gravy easy for making up people. Me no buy gravy off a shelf. Gravy easy for make. I'm going to do a gravy recipe for one day food I'm going to see. So everybody could see gravy is 1, 2, 3. Homemade gravy, easy peasy. Yeah. And then I put in the fish them now. Make them suck up all that flavor. Wow, look at that, man. Look at that. Suck up all the flavor and the sauce and the color. See there? That's my mantra and mood of production when we cook. What me say? Cook up just to cook down. Look at that. Boom.